Displacement value calculations. In the preparation of suppositories, we use these methods. Suppository. Which is meant for rectal administration of the drugs. When the patient is unconscious, generally we use this one. Or to treat some constipation, we use this method. Suppositories. Okay? When you prepare suppositories, there is a importance for the displacement value calculations. Particularly when you are using the base, theobroma oil, otherwise called as cocoa butter. Both are same, cocoa butter or theobroma oil. When you are using this as a base in the preparation of suppositories, we have to do some calculations based on the displacement value. Why? Suppository mold is like this almost. It is about generally 6 suppositories will be there. I am drawing only 3 for diagram purpose. Either 1 gram capacity or 2 gram capacity generally we use in the laboratory. Okay. Generally 1 gram capacity is easy for administration. Right. So this is 1 gram capacity. It accommodates 1 gram of theobroma oil or cocoa butter. Now we are incorporating the drug also. When compared to the drug, cocoa butter is of very less density. So how do you define displacement value? The quantity of the drug which displaces one part of the base. For example, if you are using the bismuth subgallate, the displacement value is 3. Displacement value of bismuth subgallate is 3. So, the volume occupied by 3 grams of bismuth subgallate is equal to the volume occupied by 1 gram of cocoa butter. That means cocoa butter is very much less density when compared to the drug, bismuth subgallate. One more example we see, zinc oxide. Displacement value of zinc oxide is 5. 5 times it is more denser when compared to the base. What is the base here? Cocoa butter. How do you define this one? Once again. The volume occupied by 5 grams of zinc oxide is equal to the volume occupied by 1 gram of cocoa butter. It's a very less denser when compared to zinc oxide. So this is the importance of the displacement value. Basing on this one, we have to do some calculations that we'll see it now. How do you prepare 6 suppositories of 1 gram capacity containing 300 mg of bismuth subgallate in each suppository? You have to prepare 6 suppositories of 1 gram capacity, each suppository containing 300 milligrams of the bismuth subgallate. We know very well the displacement value of bismuth subgallate is 3. Displacement value is 3 for the bismuth subgallate. How do you prepare this one? So what is the amount of the total base required? Of course, whenever you are making suppositories, you plan for 2 extra. 6 plus 2, 8. You formulate for 8 because you have to pour into the mold. And over the mold, whatever is there, you have to scrap it out. So, you plan for 2 extra. So, amount of the drug for 8 suppositories. Amount of the drug for 8 suppositories. 8 into, what is the amount of the drug in each suppository? 300 milligrams. It is equal to 2400 milligrams. What is the displacement value of bismuth subgallate? 3. So, what is the volume? Volume of the drug displaces cocoa butter. Volume of drug displaces cocoa butter. It is equal to 2400 by the displacement value. It is equal to 800. Okay? 800. Now, final formula. What is the amount of the drug? Amount of drug 2400. Amount of the base required? Base 1 gram. That means 1 gram for 1 suppository, 8 suppositories for 8 grams. So 8000 mg minus how much is present here? 2400 by 3, 800 is equal to 7200 mg. The final formula is base 7200 mg and drug 2400 mg. Okay? Totally how much is that? 9.6 grams. But it occupies only 8 grams capacity. Of course, you have to prepare only 6 suppositories of 1 gram capacity. This is the calculations for the suppositories. One more suppository to prepare now. Preparation of the zinc oxide suppositories. How do you prepare 6 suppositories of 1 gram capacity, each containing 500 milligrams of the zinc oxide? You have to prepare 6 suppositories. You plan for 2 extra. Totally you have to prepare 8 suppositories. For 8 suppositories, how much amount of the cocoa butter required? 8 grams. What is the amount of the drug required? Amount of drug required for 8 suppositories. 8 into 500. What is the displacement value of zinc oxide? 5. For bismuth subgallate, it is 3. For zinc oxide, it is 5. So, it is again 800 mg. This is the volume of the base displaced by 4000 mg of the drug. Right? So now next one is the amount of the base required. Amount of the base required. It is 8000 minus 800, 7200. Total formula. Base 7200, drug. How much? Is it 800 or 4000? We have to write 4000 only. 800 is the displacement purpose. Here we have to write each suppository is having 500 mg. You have to prepare 8 suppositories. So 8 into 500, 4000. This is the final formula for the preparation of the suppositories using the zinc oxide as the drug. Each suppository containing 500 mg of the zinc oxide.